got some news, it's hot. There's a new technology on the block. If you wanna make a presentation, stop right here. This software is amazing. You don't need experience, but you can look like a pro. You will see the difference with this software. It'll make you grow. Your business will boom. Your pockets will boom. Everybody will stop when you walk in the room. You won't see innovation like this anywhere else in the App Store. This is all you need and more. Adil Chowdhury, look at what you created. All this other software is outdated. A few steps and you're on to the money. This software is lit. This ain't your average company. Don't waste your time with these other programs. You will have the best pics on Instagram. It's so simple and easy to use. You will stand out and get 1 million views. You can make slides with amazing results. All it takes is a few clicks. Kids and adults can use it. You can create animations, videos and pictures. Wow, this software is amazing. Prezentar, you won't forget the name. Prezentar is #1 in the game. Prezentar, it's the #1 software to take you to the next level. Prezentar, we on the next level. You won't forget the name, it's #1 in the game. Prezentar, you won't forget the name, it's #1 in the game. Prezentar, you won't forget the name, it's #1 in the game.